children, let's have an activity for Dusshera today. You will love it. It will be fun. So let's start. We can take a few things like this is a craft paper. I have cut a circle out of the craft paper. I have a crown, a cutout of a crown. I have an ice cream stick. From a black paper, I have cut this size. This is a mustache, okay? And two small circles that I'll be using as eyes. So let's start. Here, this is the yellow circle that I have. This is the face. Let's stick the eyes of Ravana. Here. Okay. Here we have the eyes of Ravana. Okay. Now let's stick the crown. Here I have the crown. I have applied glue here. So I will stick the crown. Now the mustache. This is the mustache. Let's draw eyebrow. That is the eyebrow. And the mouth. Fine. Our face, Ravana face is done. Now, we will apply glue to our ice cream stick. And we'll stick it here. So my Ravana is ready. How do you find this, children? This is my Ravana. Do you know why do we celebrate Dussehra? According to the Hindu mythology, on this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana. This festival depicts victory of good over evil. So the statue of the 10-headed Ravana is burned to celebrate the victory of good. So today we have made the face of Ravana. This is the activity for Dussehra. So children, we have made one face and this is one head of Ravana. As we all know, Ravana has 10 heads. So what we can do is, we can take few more circles, say 9 more circles, and then we can make this way, we can make We will stick crown, eyes and mustache to all these small circles that we have, and in all we have to make 10 such faces. So like this we can stick all the heads that we are making. We can stick it together one after the other and we will get a 10-headed Ravana. So children, we have finished making our 10-headed Ravana. Can you see this? See, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have our 10-headed Ravana. So this is your activity. Please take help from your mother and father, and you can do this activity and send us the videos. Thank you children, and wish you all a very happy Dusshera.